Members of the xenophobic vigilant group, Operation Dudula, are targeting immigrant mothers and their newborn babies, forcibly removing them from public clinics across Johannesburg and KwaZulu-Natal, denying them access to life-saving healthcare in brazen violation of the law and basic human rights. Sanambena mashoko kuda panguva ino konzo Operation Dudula panguva ino in South Africa, panguva ino iri kuchesa away ma foreigners from hospitals. Nobo subscribe or like on the bed. I continue mwana mobda nyukwa mchinzi. Over recent months, members of the vigilant group have been seen patrolling queues at local clinics, violently segregating foreigners, and in some cases, chasing them away entirely. This disturbing conduct, reportedly enabled in some instances by complicity health workers, directly violates a 2023 Gauteng High Court ruling mandating free health care for pregnant and lactating women and their children, regardless of nationality. The ruling compelled the Gauteng Department of Health to display clear notices affirming these rights in all public health care facilities, but compliance appears scarce. During a recent visit to JEP Clinic, Ground Up found no such notice, only a small group of Operation Dudula members aggressively policing the queue, pulling immigrant women aside and barring their access. Jane Banda, a Malawian mother, has been repeatedly blocked from getting a 7-week-old baby vaccinated in court. I feel my baby's health is at risk, she says. Aisha Amadu, an asylum seeker, was also turned away while trying to obtain routine care for a 2-year-old, Grace Issa, with a 14-week-old due for immunization, has been turned away from the 3 clinics. I feel like giving up, she says. My husband has no money for private doctors. Several women reportedly similar experiences at clinics in Malvern, Kensington, Rosettenville, and Soweto. Their stories point to a growing pattern of systemic denial of health care to immigrants in flagrant such breach of both constitutional rights and medical dangerous ethics. Populist, scapegoating, and dehumanizes migrant and undermines the constitution. Operation Dudula is not forcing the law, it's breaking it. South Africa's democratic institutions must act swiftly to protect the most vulnerable, infants and their mothers, from this unlawful vigilant terror. Healthcare is a right, not a privilege. Silence is complicit. Ndo mashkwarubuda pangwa eno aiwa ezvikuitika munyika South Africa. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro this Operation Dudula. Pene comment section medu dzimafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.